Hello friends, my name is Chanchal Agrawal and in today's session we are going to see how to insert a new node in the existing linked list. In the linked list, as you know that start node, or you can call it as head node always contain the address of the first node in the linked list. Okay, so we have many cases for insertion. Like in first case, if the start contains the null value, the start contains null means there is no node existing in the linked list, because start always point at first node and its value is null, means there is no node in the linked list. Suppose I have created this node P and this node I have created, and I want to insert this node in the linked list because there is no existing linked list. So this will be my first node in the linked list. How can I place this node? If I will make that start points at this node, so start will always point at the first node in the linked list, so this will be my first node in the linked list. So for that, what I will have to do, I will check the condition that if start is equal to null, so what I will do, I will assign the P address, the node which I want to create, into start. So that will be my first node in the linked list and start will point at 1000. Now what is the second case? If the user want to insert the node at position 1. Position 1 means at this position. If it will insert at position 1, so this will be the second node, this will be the third node, and this will be last will be the fourth node. If I want to insert this node at this position, this node and at this position, means the link part of the P node should point to the next node, that is 1000, because in the linked list, as we all know, that the link part of the node will always point to the next node in the linked list. So if I will place this node in the starting, so that means this will be the second node, so it should point at 1000, means if this is P data part, this is P link part, so in the P link part, what should present? 1000 should present. And where we can find this 1000? As we know that start always point at the first node in the linked list, so start will contain the address of the first node in the linked list, that is 1000. So in the P link part, if we assign the start address, that is 1000, so it will point at, means if we assign 1000 here, so it will point at this node. Now I have created a link between first node, this will be the first node and this will be the second node. But as you can see that start is still pointing at this node, but I have created a new node at the first position. So now I will have to adjust the pointer and start should point at this node, not on this node. So what I will do, P link is equal to start, and now start will point at P. So this is the way only by which I can insert a new node into first position. Now in another case, what can happen, that if the user want to insert at any other position, like if the user want to insert into third position, so what we will do, that if the user want to insert at this position, so we have to adjust 2 pointers. If I want to place this node in between, so p-link part should contains address of the next node, and if this node will place here, so the next node will be this, means in the p-link part it should contain 3000. Okay, then only it can be linked to this node. But now you can see that this node is also pointing at this, and this node is also pointing at this. So if it will be placed at this position, means this is the next node to this node. So the link part of this node should point at this node. This is the only way to insert a new node in between. Means at the place of 3000, suppose the p address is 5000, suppose. Okay, so in the p link part it should contain 5000. This is the only way to connect, because now the p is next node in the linked list, and the link part always points at the next node in the linked list, so it should point at p. And in the p link it should have the address of the next node, and the next node for p is 3000. So we will place 3000 in place of null. That means we have modified 2 link part. First of all, in the p link part it should contain 3000. And now what is this node? We have to take simple a variable here, so that we can modify the links. Suppose I am taking a temp variable, and I am starting temp from start. That will be the first node. So means my temp will start from here. Okay, now in the temp, what is the value? 1000. Temp is pointing at 1000. Now you can see that if the position is third, this is the first node, this is the second, and at position third we want to insert. So I have to place, where I have to place the temp? Of course at this node I want to place the temp. Okay, temp is now pointing at first node, and I want to place temp at second node. Means only one time I want to execute the temp, only one time. Now by this example you can see that position value is 3. If the position value is 3, so I want that my loop will execute only one time, that is position minus 2 times. If the position is 3, so my loop will execute only one time, because right now temp is pointing here and I want my temp to point at second node. Means it will execute only one time. So that is for position number 3, I will execute my temp only one time, my loop only one time, that is position minus 2. So suppose I am writing a loop that for I is equal to 1, I till when we execute the loop, less than equal to position minus 2 times, then I plus plus. And for this loop, temp will be equal to temp link. Now see that how I am executing. I am starting temp from start, that is temp is equal to first of all 1000. Now I is equal to 1. Yes, I less than position minus 2, that is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, that value is 1. So means it will go for the first iteration, means equal to 1. Okay, so the condition is true. Now it will do temp is equal to temp link. Now temp is equal to, now my new temp will be temp link. In the temp data part we have this value, and in the temp link part we have 2000. This is link part and this is data part. So new temp will be temp is equal to temp link means 2000. So now the temp will point at position number 2. Temp will point at position number 2, and we want that my temp will point at position number 2 only. Now my temp is pointing here, and I have to adjust these two links. How can I adjust these two links? Now I want that in P link, okay, in the P link part, that is null. In the P link part I want 3000. Okay, let me make the linked list again so that it will be clear to you. This is my first node, this is my second node, and this is my third node. And start is containing address of first node, that is 1000. This is 1000, this is 2000, and suppose this is 4000. Suppose I am taking this, and this is 2000, this is 4000. Okay, and the data values are 1, 2 and 4 I am taking, and there is a new node, that is P, which I want to insert. Value is 3, address is 3000 suppose, and this value is null. And by that loop I have placed my temp value here. By that loop, now the two links which I want to adjust is in the P link part. In the P link part I want to place the value 4000. As you can see, in the P link part I want to place the value 4000, and the value 4000, where I am finding the value 4000? Here I am finding the value 4000. So means in P link part I will place temp link. I will place temp link because this is temp data part and this is temp link part. So if in this part I will place temp link part, that will be 4000. So it will be connected to this node. It will be this link will be connected to this. But now you can see that temp is also pointing here and P is also pointing here. But if I want to place this node in between, so this link part should point here. Means at the place of 4000 I should store 3000. That is the address of P. Okay, so in the temp link part, if I will store P address, so these two link will be modified and we can insert the node in between these two nodes. In between these two nodes. See, if I am talking about P link part, okay, if I am talking about P link part, so that is this part, P link, P data and P link. But if I am writing here P here, if I am writing P here, so I am talking about the address of P, that is 3000. But if I am talking about P link, so that is null. Okay, this you will have to understand. Now we will see the algorithm. What is the algorithm for insertion? I have taken a start variable that contains the address of the first node in the linked list. The item refers to the value which is to be inserted. Position specifies the position at which we want to insert the item. Now in the step 1, if I want to insert a new node in the linked list, so for that I will create a dynamic memory for that node, and this is the statement for creating the dynamic memory, means we are creating P node dynamically. Now in the P data we are placing the item. Item means some value, 1 2 3 4, some value you are taking, and in the starting you are taking P link part as null, means you have created this node P, and the P data you have placed some value, and the P link you have put null value. Now if start is equal to null, as I have told you in the case 1, that if start is equal to null, so this is P is the first node in the linked list, so you will make a start point at P. So if start is equal to null, then start will be P. Else if the position is equal to 1, as I have told you, if the position is equal to 1, so in the P link part you will place a start point, a start variable, okay, and start will be P. So this is, I have told you that if the position is equal to 1, so in the P link part you will place a start, and now because this is the first node in the linked list, so start will point at the node P. Else you will take a temp variable, now you will execute a loop so that you can place the temp variable at the correct node, and you can adjust the links. So you are starting for loop from I is equal to 1 to position minus 2, because I have told you that if position value is equal to 3, then you will execute temp only one time. So if I is equal to 1, position minus 2 by 1 means it will increment by 1, and temp is equal to temp link, means if earlier temp was at 1000, now temp will be temp link, means temp will now point at 2000. This end of for structure, and then end of if structure, which I have started here, if structure. Now I will do what? In the P link part I will place temp link, means I have to adjust two links na here. In the P link part I will place temp link, and in the temp link I will place P. In the P link part I will place temp link, and in temp link I will place P, and that is the way to insert a new node in the linked list. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like the video, so please click on like and subscribe button.